going on, guys? It's Seth here with Oklahoma Joe's, and today I want to talk to you about our smoker covers. Now, we've seen a lot of comments and questions on some of the forums out there about what specific cover will fit my model of smoker, and does Oklahoma Joe's make a cover that will fit this specific smoker? The answer is yes. We make a custom fit cover for all of the Oklahoma Joe's products that we have. So there's no questions about what's the right size, what cover do I need. Find the cover that matches the name to the name of the product, and you're going to have a perfect custom fit every time. All of those covers share the same specs and features, with the exception of the dimensions and the sizes being custom to the products. All right, so let's take a look at the construction of this cover. All Oklahoma Joe's smoker covers are going to be made of a 2-layer material, full 2-layer construction here. That is going to be a polyester fabric with a PVC coating on the inside of the cover. The PVC coating is going to help with UV resistance as well as water resistance, so it's going to prevent rain and things like that from getting in. The other feature of these covers is that they're going to have sealed seam construction. All covers are made of various different panels that are sewn together. So no matter how water resistant the actual material itself is, the seams are typically going to be one of the weak spots. Well, with Oklahoma Joe's, we do sealed seam construction, which is where we take an additional piece of fabric, fold that over the seam, and then sew it from the outside. So what would normally be a weak spot with a cover becomes a strength for these covers. One of the additional features I want to call out here is the color that we've added to this. So you'll notice that there are orange threads being used on all the stitching, and we've got the orange Oklahoma Joe's logo here, so it's really going to pop, let everybody understand what you're hiding underneath this cover is a Oklahoma Joe's product. One of the other features that's important on this is that it's got the hook and loop straps on the side. These products, especially the offsets, are very large, and so the fit is very important, and you need to snug that up to keep them, keep the covers from coming off or blowing away if you've got some high wind or anything like that. So on both sides of the cover, we've got these hook and loop straps. So you put the cover on, get it all the way down, fully seated, and then pull it as tight as you can, and that will hold it in place, especially up under things like side handles and fire boxes where there's open air underneath those. The final thing that I want to mention in terms of the specific construction of these covers is Ripstop Construction. So all of the Oklahoma Joe's covers are made with Ripstop material, and what that is the 2-layer fabric that I mentioned earlier, but there is an additional thread running in both directions every 1/4 of an inch. So if you look at this material up close, you'll see almost a grid pattern that's on there, and that is that extra thread. And what that does is it literally stops rips. So if you get a small hole, if this gets caught on something or a knife or anything like that pokes it, the rip or the hole will not expand past that next thread. So it helps keep your cover in great shape for a very long time. All right, so there you go. With all of these features, and especially with the Ripstop material, you can see that this is a high quality cover, which is what you would expect from the Oklahoma Joe's brand. To get more information on these covers or to find out where to buy these covers, please visit oklahomajoes.com. If you've got any additional questions or anything that I didn't cover, please drop a comment below in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time.